To start, the first step is to check and install all available updates on your system. This will ensure that any missing or outdated system files are updated, which may resolve issues with the DLL error. Next, open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the search bar, and then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This will launch Command Prompt with administrative privileges, allowing you to run necessary system scans. In the Command Prompt window, type Chkdsk and hit Enter. This command will check your disk for any errors or corruption. Depending on your system and the size of the drive, this process may take some time, so be patient. Once gauge completed, type sfc/scannow and press Enter to initiate the System File Checker scan. This command will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair any damaged files, including Kernel32.dll. Both processes may take several minutes to complete, and it's important not to interrupt them while they are running. After the scans finish, restart your PC. When your PC reboots, the disk check will begin automatically if it was flagged during the Chkdsk process. Once everything is completed, check if the issue with Kernel32.dll is resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.